If you are looking for the best lightning cable, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1, most popular. Amazon Basics MFi-Certified Lightning to USB cable. With a price point that will fit all but the tightest of budgets, this cable delivers consistent charging and data transfer that is comparable to official Apple products. At a length of 3 feet, this lightning charge cord is perfect to keep as a backup cable. This cable features a segmented rubber sheath near the lightning connection to reinforce a common stress point and prevent the wire sheath from splitting or wire breakage. The Amazon Basics Lightning cable is Apple certified to be compatible with almost any iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Number 2. iPhone charger, Anker PowerLine Lightning cable. The original Anker PowerLine may be old, but it's still one of the best iPhone charger cables worth your money. It is MFi certified, designed to resist fraying, and charges all Apple devices at full speed. Anker claims to use Kevlar cables that can withstand bending up to 5,000 times. Aramid fiber makes it resistant to fraying and wear-related damage. Wide diameter wires and reduced cord resistance maximize charge speed. Number 3. Amuvec Multi-USB Charging Cable 3A. If you tend to carry a lot of devices by different manufacturers, check out the Amuvec Multi-Lightning cable. This charging cable features 4 different connections to power and sync both iOS and Android devices, 2 Lightning connections, a micro USB, and 1 USB-C. This eliminates the need to carry and keep track of multiple cables while traveling for work or with family. The cable itself features a woven nylon sheath to supply long-lasting durability and strength. The 4-foot length is perfect for keeping at your desk, in your car, or in your travel bag. Number 4. Quintas USB-C PD wall charger with 6 feet lightning cable. When you need power in a hurry, the Quintas lightning cable is here to help. This lightning cable is designed specifically for fast charging your mobile devices. It's able to charge your iPhone or tablet to 50% in as little as 30 minutes. The cable is also Apple certified for all iOS-based smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Quintas has received ETL safety certification to provide you and your devices with protection from overheating, short-circuiting, and overcharging. The USB-C connection allows you to connect older iPhones and iPads. It comes packaged with a hook and loop cable tie for hassle-free storage and travel. Number 5. Hiway for iPhone charger, lightning cable nylon braided. A reliable charging cable doesn't always require you to sacrifice style for function. The cable features a woven nylon sheath to prevent splitting and fraying for long-lasting durability. The connection housings are made of aluminum to resist heat and corrosion to provide strong and secure connections. Not only do these cables supply your devices the power they need, but they also allow you to quickly transfer data and sync your phone or tablet. Each cord measures 6 feet long to give you freedom of movement whether you're working, lounging on the couch, or relaxing in bed.